Hello, everybody. I'm your host, Eric Bird, here at StopStrugglingNow.com. And today, we have to talk about another credit card up to a $10,000 credit limit. That's right, another one, a fintech. We're going to talk about it. And welcome to Foci Optics. Check. Stop Struggling Now gear. Check. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. Now, let's get to it. All right, welcome back. And we're going to start this off because it's no credit check, no qualifying. It's not a bank, it's a fintech bank. And therefore, they're going to go by what's in your bank account, up to $10,000. And they report to all three credit bureaus as well. But it's a wait list, ladies and gentlemen. Down below in the description, there'll be a link for you to sign up for the wait list. And I'm going to go on the computer and show you what else you're going to get with this Blacksteel up to 10K credit limit. Let's go. All right, welcome back to the Stop Struggling Now YouTube channel page, and I want to remind you, please share the videos. This actually helps other people, thousands of other people, if not millions. And notice the join button over here on the right. That's a membership button. That means you become a member of the channel. You have special messages under the community tab, 1 or 2 videos per month specifically for members of the channel. And there's a few other perks that you have to click on the join button to find out about. And Wednesday night lives are members chat only, so keep that in mind. Now, without further ado, let's check out this card, Blacksteel. It's up to a $10,000 credit limit, and we're going to go to the page itself. You will notice that there's going to be a wait list here. You're going to fill out information, your email address, then it says get approved. Then it's going to ask you what your balance is at your bank account and a few other things like pre-qualifying, even though once they get this up and running, that they're going to actually probably link to your bank account to verify how much money you might have in there or what your transactions are, similar to Tomo credit card, which the link again to sign up for Blacksteel is down below. Tomo credit card, links down below. X1 credit card, down below. X1's a wait list. Credit.ai is an app. But we're going to get into all that, and notice right here, get all the benefits of a top tier card with no downsides, no credit checks, no fees, no APR, no interest. Beautiful. I love what fintechs are doing. Blacksteel will never pull your credit. So therefore, again, not even a hard inquiry like they said, no credit check. This is very simple, very easy to start. Simply connect your bank account and get approved with an active card number. Again, they're probably going to use that Plaid or something similar to that links to your bank account. So you're going to have to allow access to that. Best in class rewards, it's saying receive 1% cash back on all purchases and up to 3% with select partners. You guys have seen this before. It's all similar to X1, Tomo Credit. The fintechs are all operating nearly the same way. You're getting cash backs, you're getting points, you're getting something for spending your money with the card. Reports to all three credit bureaus. That is major in itself. And again, it's a wait list. They are not up and operational, unlike the Tomo credit card, which is up and operational. Every payment gets reported to all three major credit bureaus to help you build credit. That's what we want to hear. And hopefully these guys come out very, very soon to help everybody improve their credit scores. And once again, they reiterate no fees ever. That's hard to believe. But again, up to 5 times higher credit limits versus other cards. And again, they talk about even if you start with a lower limit, they are flexible. And as you grow, they apparently increase your credit limit. Now, mobile friendly smart card with next gen features built for life on the go.
And once again, easily manage your card with our mobile app. They're going to have a mobile app. That's very cool. And I'm hoping that they have the virtual, which I don't know yet if they're going to have the virtual. Hit your financial and credit score goals. That is their goal, to help people out. That's our goal here at Stop Struggling Now. And here's the card itself. Everybody wants these tungsten, stainless steel, metal cards. Standard card, I'm assuming, is going to be plastic. And then, of course, they have a premium card, which they're saying is 20 grams of tungsten steel for everybody on the podcast. And again, that is how simple this is. Get started today. Please use the link down below to sign up. Now I'm going to move into other cards that you guys have heard about before. And in case you're new here, here's the Tomo credit card. You'll see it almost looks similar. So I'm almost thinking it's like a same playbook as Tomo credit card. And Tomo credit card, they have actually started to report it to credit bureaus for people. And they operate the same way. No interest or fees, no credit check, no credit history, weekly auto pay. Just one thing about this, if Blacksteel does what Tomo credit card does, you will pay whatever you charge. It could be weekly, it could be bi-weekly, or it could be monthly. Sometimes you have to pay the full amount, similar to a charge card of the 1950s and 60s, where I charge $100 at the store, and then they would say a charge card you would have to pay within 30 days. That is what they're doing here. You might have to pay within a week, 2 weeks, you designate, but the full amount has to be paid within those times. It doesn't roll over. That's why they minimize your fees and cost. All right, Tomo credit card is similar, $100 to $10,000. Interest is zero. You see how this looks exactly like the Blacksteel. All right, auto pay in their case is weekly. So once again, you charge $100, it's coming out next week, $100. Okay, no credit score, of course, because they don't do a credit check. No fees. Does this all seem similar to the Blacksteel? It looks similar to me. Exactly the same thing. No credit score, no problem. Build your credit the smart way. That's how we do it here, ladies and gentlemen, the same way. Now, X1, they're going to operate similarly. They're also a metal card. There's a wait list. There's a 17 grams of a stainless steel. Okay, zero annual fees. Now, the thing here, though, is I've noticed that they're not talking about no credit check or anything like that, but they do have the virtual cards. So I don't know how they're going to allow you to receive your card, but again, there's a wait list. They have these points that you can earn, and they have partners. Okay, at the bottom of this, you'll see that there's going to be partners mentioned: Adidas, Apple, Beats, I don't know how to, Casper, Airbnb, Alaskan, Delta, JetBlue, Hotel Tonight, and a lot of others that you will be getting cash back or some sort of reward points for using these services. And a lot of you use those services, and once again, they're going to have their app online. But you can see a charge here, interest. You also see 2% balance transfer fees, but they're saying best in class. So we really don't know what these are going to be yet. But again, get on the wait list. It won't hurt you at all. There's also Credit AI, which is in the App Store and Google Store. Even though I have it on the screen, you have to Google Credit AI, but you might as well just go to the Google Store or the Apple Store and download the app yourself, because they also are talking about get a metal card, never pay fees or interest, build credit automatically. They're talking the same way. And oh, by the way, that singer, John Legend, is part of the Credit.ai. Now, let's talk about the usual. We have the self-credit. Remember, those previous ones I mentioned are talking about revolving credit. They're not talking about installment. Self-lender and Credit Strong do installment credit, so the only thing missing is you will not receive debt utilization, but you will receive the on-time payments. You will receive the payment history. You will receive new credit card of 10%. You will receive all of that. On-time payment, which is the most important, is being added when you get self-lender or Credit Strong. Self-lender, you're saving money along the way. Credit Strong, you're saving money along the way. Same type of setup. You're paying monthly. It's included as an installment agreement on your credit profile, and it helps you boost or improve your credit score. Got it? Now, any of you that have business credit or want to start business credit, you now can go to Credit Strong. The links are down below for Self-Lender and Credit Strong. You can see it up here at the top. You can now get a trade line posted to your business credit profile by Credit Strong. That is all there is to it, ladies and gentlemen. And I'll probably throw in the Benjamin Finance. I'll probably throw in some other things like the Celsius Network, because again, Nexo, if you have crypto and you're hodling it and you have to get a loan down the line, you can borrow against your crypto with no credit check, no qualifying. And in the case of Celsius, 1% credit interest, 1% interest, that is beautiful for you. All right. And you have up to 36 months to pay it back. And then it's basically you pay the interest only up to 3 years in the case of Celsius. Nexo, though, you're going to have to pay like 5 or 6 or 7% interest. But again, that gives you other options. You get to buy assets. So I'm not going to show you on the screen, but down below I'll have the Celsius Network and Nexo in case you want to invest and be able to borrow against your funds if the need arises. And that way, with those, you get the upside if the crypto goes up. Now you have money sitting there earning interest daily, plus you can borrow in case of emergency, or you can just sit there and let it hodl. So that hopefully that works out for you. And with all that said, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching, thank you for listening, and please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. And I know it's hard out here. That's why you have to think clearly on all fronts. You have to think about credit. Credit is an asset. You have to start thinking about streams of income, because that can be an asset, so you have money coming in while you're sleeping. Then you have to start thinking about some other type of assets, which means it could be real estate, it could be artwork, it could be anything that you can receive income off of. That could be stocks. You guys know the routine here. It's the SSN Nation. You know how it works. So if you have any questions or anything, you can always hit me up at eric@stopstrugglingnow.com. And with all that said, keep your head up, keep moving, and I'm out.